Kuringana na murugamiriri munene wa uramati wa maria maturigicĩirie mititu-ini Monica Karenda, kurugamio kwa atatu ni guguteithĩrĩria uthuthuria bara nginya kuhithuria uria biacara ĩno ihuragwo. Akiaria hindi ya icera ria guthurima mititu mwena wa gicua-ini, Karenda ni ugite uthukangia wa mititu ni wongererekete na gikiro kinene mwena ucio, undu uria ni ugwati kuri uthii wa nambere wa bururi.
The forester who was in Makara, the assistant EC who was involved in issuing movement permits have already stepped aside. And that one will continue, not just here in Kilifi, because at the moment we are still implementing the moratorium, the government moratorium.
Kwa ihinda ria ciumia igiri hituku, muingi mwena ucio ukoretwo ugiteta thutha wa kuonekana kwa marori ma wendia wa makara maihurite muno makiuma mutitu-ini wa Dakacha muthenya barigici, ona thengia ya thirikari gukorwo ikirite mukana wa thikũ 90 wa kugiria utemi na wendia wa makara.
Most of these forests, if left, if we don't allow those illegal activities, a number of them will just regenerate. But where we have had degradation, we are going to do enrichment planting and then protection for natural regeneration. So that is one thing that we are focusing on to ensure that at least by 2022 we get the 10% forest cover.
Kurugamio guku gukite thiku nini tu thutha wa kamiti iria yamuritwo ni thirikari guthurima uthukangia wa mititu kwendekithia rugamiriria nene ruhonge-ini rwa mititu marugamio wira kuona ni makoretwo makinyita itemi kwananga miti. Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, njĩtagwo Njoroge wa Kimani.